How to post to Facebook and Instagram at the same time. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom right, then click on three lines at the top right. Then, in here, simply click on Account Center. Then, click on Sharing Across Profiles. After that, in here, if you have already accounts connected, you're good to go. If you have not, click on Add Accounts and add your account. After you have added the account, go back to your profile. Then, in there, click on plus sign at the bottom and add any photo you want to post. Then at the bottom, you'll find more options. Click on it. Then, click on Facebook. Make sure Facebook is also turned on. After you do that, the post you will share on Instagram will also be posted on your Facebook account. After that, also make sure you go to your profile, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find settings and activity pop up. In here, go to Account Center and then click on Sharing Cross Profiles. In here, click on Facebook account and make sure your Facebook story and your Facebook post are turned on. After you do that, you're good to go. And this is how to post to Facebook and Instagram at the same time. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.